All right, traders, I want to talk about something important about our bounce levels, and that is the gift of break even. And if you have perfect entry on our levels, in 98% of the cases, from my experience, and I don't have statistics to back this up, you are given the gift of break even if price goes through your level. And I want to show you one today that was given the gift of break even, and it's on the it's inside the end of the day chart, the 3-minute end of the day charts. And today is Thursday, January 25th, if you want to go find this trade. But I zoomed it into the 30-second chart. So this is a 3-minute level, backside, 3-minute front side, and a tested 3-minute break level. Okay, so that is tested on the 3 minutes, but this is what it looks like on the 30-second chart. So price came in and did not bounce off your level. You'd better make sure you have a backup level. And what did the backup level do for you? It bounced and gave you the gift of break even. If you said, you know what, I'm going to just trade the backup level. I'm only going to trade here. Well, it touched, bounced up, you managed for your trade, and you would have gotten out. Let's say you didn't get out. I want to show you, again, price went down, and it gave you the gift of break even. Okay? Now, that is just really important because we have a high probability system where, in most cases, price touches our level and bounces. But sometimes it'll go through your level and come back and give you the gift of break even. And I'm telling you that when price goes through my levels and it comes back up, I am quick to take the gift of break even. I did that a couple times today. It's like, I'm out. Why? I pay my trades to touch and bounce. That's my trade. Not come through and try to see if it wants to come back up and then go. My backup levels, primary level, backup level, my backup level exists, so if it goes through my primary, it comes back, and I can get the gift to break even. That's my opinion. Stay green, my friends, and to learn more about our group, go to microstrader.com.